helps answer your questions.
That's good. Just so you know, Mr. Myers is in the room with me. So factoring trinomials now, here's the third one. Okay, so really, there's really no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You just kind of got to butt cheek it. Okay, so you're looking at what two numbers multiply together to be 3x to the fourth. Well, that's going to be 3x squared and x squared. Then you're looking at what numbers can multiply together to be negative 8. Well, that's going to be 1 and 8, or 2 and 4, with one of them being negative. Okay? And then you have to just kind of try and guess and check. If I put 1 and 8 in there, then these two multiply together and give me 24x squared. These two multiply together to give me x squared. I subtract them because of that negative sign, gets me 23. Well, that's not going to work because 23 is not 2, at least not in my world. Okay? Maybe in Indiana, but not in my world. Okay? So you kind of go through that process of guessing and checking, and guessing and checking, and guessing and checking. If I would put 2 here, and I put 4 there, I put a plus sign there and a subtraction sign there. Now when I check it by multiplying, my firsts right there give me my 3x squared. My lasts right here give me my negative 8. And then I check the middles here, and in the middles I've got negative 4x squared, and I've got positive 6x squared. Together, that gives me 2x squared, which is what I need. So my answer here then is, let's go in blue, 3x squared minus 4 and x squared plus 2. Checking again to make sure that none of those can be factored. They can't, so that is the answer. Here on this one, 18 has a lot to choose from, so I always like to start in the middle. 3x squared, 6x squared. Need to get to negative 23. So if I went 6 there, no. If I went 3 and 2, I go 3 and 2, that's going to give me here, that's going to give me 6. Here, that's going to give me 18. That's not going to make it because I need to subtract them, so that's going to be 12. So that's not going to work. Okay. So then let's think about some other ones. So if I went 9x squared and 2x squared, if I go 3 and I go 2 there, then on the outsides I get my 18x to the fourth. On the insides I get my 6. I just have to figure out which one is which. So let's go with minus there and plus there. Because then here now I got plus 4x squared. Here I got minus 27x squared. Together that gives me negative 23x squared. So my answer here is 9x squared plus 2 and 2x squared minus 3. Okay? Go. So this last one then, we need to figure out 5x to the fifth and 3x to the fifth. And then if we went 4 there and 2 there, plus and plus, it works out. So then that is the factoredness.